to reach there, we have to cut across the field that is situated near BSNL office, and then we have to pass through footpath that are covered by thorny bushes, and that's what you see the teachers pushing the thorns up and down and then getting into the area where the check dam is situated.
Hi ma'am,
Hi sir.
can you tell me where are we?
Pallippat check dam.
Can you tell me what is check dam?
Check dam is the dam constructed by our government in order to save water. When there is heavy rain, the water will be in the river, flows in the river and drains in the ocean and get wasted. So in order to avoid that, the government started to construct dams. So we have main dam as well as we have check dams. Now we are in check dam, which is in Pallippat.
Ma'am,
Is where we store much water. This is check dam. Here the water is flowed in the check dam in order to penetrate into the ground, and so the groundwater level.
can you tell me why the birds are sitting there?
The birds are waiting to take aquatic living organisms. I hope it is sitting to catch fish there.
What purpose do we have one in Kusasthala river?
As is agricultural area. So the main agriculture here is sugarcane, paddy and groundnut. So water needs in abundant for rice and sugarcane. So this water is taken for irrigation purpose of the agricultural goods. Also it is used for cattle rearing.
Ma'am, do we have water for 12 months in the check dam?
No sir, we don't have all through the academic year, that is for 12 months we don't have water in this river because this is non-perennial river. Only in the rainy season we have water in this river. The perennial river and non-perennial river. Perennial river is the river which has water all through the 12 months. But whereas here this is non-perennial river which has water only in the rainy days.
Ma'am, can you tell me the difference between check dam and real dam?
Real dam is a place where we have much water. So real dam has multi-purpose usage. We can produce hydroelectricity. Also it is used to save water for future purpose, and also it is used for irrigation facility. But whereas check dam, it is actually the flow of water which is used to penetrate into the ground, so the groundwater level will be increased. Also the check dams are constructed for irrigation purpose, sir. Children, we don't encourage you to come here alone. If you wanted to come and refresh here, please come with your parents.
Ma'am, I am very glad to thank you for your explanations.
Thank you, sir.